태양이가 좋아하는 랜덤 게임 게임 스타일. 아파트 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 Hey, so now you know the game. Are you ready? Cause I'm coming to get you. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Just meet me
Just meet me at the Just meet me at the
Hi B. This is it. So, after how many attempts and pagpaparinig, finally, ito na.
Me. Today is the day that been waiting for. From high school sweetheart to husband and wife.
I'm not the typical girl na wishing na makasal sa simbahan. Pero we made it. Wala, sabi ko, hindi ako iyak.
Hindi ko alam kung saan magsisimula. Sobrang dami nating pinagdaanan at nasukat ng panahon kung gaano katatag ang relasyon natin. Saksi ang lahat sa kung anong meron tayo at kung paano natin nalagpasan ang naging hamon ng buhay.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sacrifices mo, pag-iintindi mo sa mga tantrums ko, and pagtitimpe sa lahat ng mga toyo ko.
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ng tinig ay di mawawala, hiwag ka mong dala. Ikaw aking musika.
I appreciate you staying by my side through my darkest moment. And you saw me at my lowest point. Thank you for being my #1 supporter when I lost all my confidence in you.
Promise, B, dito lang ako sa tabi mo. Lahat ng pangarap natin, tutuparin nating dalawa na magkasama. And yun nga, isa lang naman muna pangarap ko, bumuo ng family. Siyempre, yun din naman yung pangarap mo. And don't worry, sisikapin natin na mangyari yun.
I promise to be your anchor in times of uncertainty, your shelter during life's storm, and your constant source of love and support.
I love you, B. Sobra, I love you. I'm not saying it in always, even though chat or texts, but this time, I will say I love you.
B, I promise to be the best husband I can be. B, I will love you all my life until my very last breath. I love you and I see you later.
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ng tinig ay di mo musika.